Hello ladies and gents, welcome. Today I've decided to turn a lava lamp. It was suggested to me by Tuffy Martins. Um, he was trying to change his lava lamp to have a wooden base and wooden top to cover those metal aluminiums. I had a look on eBay to see if I could do the same, but then I've decided that it would look a bit too bulky with the wood covering the, the metals and everything. I decided to hollow same shape for now. Later I might do another video uh, coming up with a different design, but I want to just see if I can do the lava lamp out of wood. And I will be using a electric tea light candles. So I'm going to hollow this and make the walls thin enough, at least 3mm thin, so I could have this in there, and then maybe I'm gonna laser cut the outside, maybe star and a moon all around it, so that the light could expand, come out of those holes. But if I could get it thin enough where this light could be seen out of the wood, that would be even better. I might not do that laser cut, so we'll see. I'm hoping that this check would come out once I'm getting it round. You see that? I hope that don't produce any problem. It's not, at least it's not going this way, so that's alright. Okay, let's get to it. Okay guys, there we have it. So pleased how it turned out. It's very beautiful wood, and it has this ripple effect. Such a lovely wood. This is, I think, it's an elm. The seller who I purchased it from said it's sycamore, but it's clearly elm. So what I'm going to do is laser cut some parts, and then I'll show you guys pictures at the end. Because even this thing is like 1.5 millimeter thick. It's still the tea light is not strong enough to shine, you know, through the wood. So I'm just gonna laser cut it. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you to Toffee for suggesting this. If you guys have any more ideas, you know, just let me know in the comments below, and be as much descriptive as you can, and I will try and do. If I like this project, if I can't do exactly what you suggested, I'll at least come up with some way to make it look like it. And I decided not to go with the lid because it would have been a awkward shape. So I'm gonna leave it as that, and we'll have some light coming out. Anyway, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Take care. Bye.